actually gonna go. Oh no. That's probably the shortcut. And they're like, you guys ever seen The Clown? And it's like, come in here. I got your stimulus check. It's like I'm sweating. Y'all see them glistening? That glistening forehead is sweat. Up the mountain. Yes. Oh, this view. What? I'm the queen of the world. World, can you hear me? I'm your queen. This is my castle. Oh, there's another castle. We're rivals. I see you, other castle up yonder. Can you imagine living in a castle? The castles, of course, you have to get food. And as you guys all know, I love sushi. But I gotta eat it in my car. It's such a cute restaurant. I just gotta eat it in the car. Welcome to Germany 2021. This is a cute restaurant, and we still can't sit down. So I decided to get boba tea, which I've never actually drunk before, so this is my first time trying it. And I'm getting a duck bento box, so. You don't like it? It's like weird tea that's cold. Like it should be hot, maybe? It's supposed to be hot.
No, is it hot?
No, but should it be?
No.
It should be hot tea with balls. That's what I think. And then it might taste different. Like it's not bad. Are the balls supposed to be gushy on the inside? They're tough.
Yeah, they're like chewy. She's making me want one. I know, me too.
I feel like I'm eating like what's some things called? Like crunchy. No, they're like chewy.
Or is it like a lemon? Mm-hmm.
This is what happens during COVID. You get the food, and then you have the restaurant conversations in the car. Welcome to 2021.